Hello everyone, this is your next type of permutation concept. In this type, how we can arrange the given words in particularly vowels come together. Okay, always otherwise vowels always come together or consonants always come together. We can see the concept one by one. In how many ways can the letters of the word strange be arranged so that the vowels come together? In your question, the first sentence is, in how many ways can the letters of the word strange be arranged? Means you can directly count how many letters are there in the word S, T, R, A, N, G, E. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 factorial. But your condition, this is called as conditional permutation. So it is in this condition, what is your condition? Vowels come together. So first write down your vowels in the given word. How many vowels are there? A, E. That's all. A, E. Okay. Now, how many consonants are there? S, T, R, N, G. These are the consonants and these two are vowels. See, whenever I can write the letters, see, S, T, R, A, E, N, G. See, whenever I can write the number of ways, A, E will be come together. Other word letter is not allowed here. So, AE, wherever I can move AE will be always together. AE, ST, R, NG. So, in this case, you want to consider the AE will be put into your one box. Whenever I can move, the entire box will be moved. So, I can consider this now as one letter. Don't worry about it. How many letters are inside the box? Not an issue. Just you can imagine, just you can assume that all as one letter. So this is your one letter. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 factorial and meaning is multiplication. In your permutation, means multiplication, R means addition. You want to do this operation whenever you having the and or word in your question. And AE will be replaced. That is, AE will be arranging in two different ways. Am I clear? AE, this is the one way. This is the another way. Anyway, E and A is always together only. We need together. Both A and E will come together. Okay. Now, 6 factorial value is 720. What is your 2 factorial value? 2. So, 2 into 0, 0. 2 2s are 4. 7 2s are 14. Answer is 1440. So, based on these conditions, we can arrange that given word into 1440 ways. Okay, now we'll move on to the next question. In how many ways can the letters of the word fitness be arranged so that the vowels come together? As usual, it is like previous question, but in this question, the given word having the repetition of letters. If repetition of occurs means while doing this type of problem, vowels always come together. How we can solve? As usual, just count the how many letters are there. Before that, you want to separate the vowels. How many vowels are there? I, E. This is your vowel. And separate your consonant F, T, N, S, S. Now you can imagine or you can count this two letter as one. I can closed into the one box. Wherever I can move, the entire IE will be moving. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 factorial. Divide by S will be occurs 2 times. S will be repeated here. So 2 factorial, and this IE will be arranged in 2 factorial ways. So what is the answer? 6 factorial divide by 2 into 2. 2 factorial answer is 2 and 2 factorial answer is 2. I can cancel it 2 one time. 6 factorial value is 720 ways. So based on the given condition, in this word having the S will be 2 times. Okay, so we can arrange this word into 720 ways. Your next question: in how many ways can the letters of the word review be arranged so that the vowels come together? Write down your word first. Okay, now what are the vowels are given here? E, I, E. In this question, vowel having the repetition. Okay, separate your consonants. R, V, W. R, V, W is consonant. Now we can consider these 3 letters as one letter. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 factorial, and 1. This vowels will be arranged in 3 ways. See, E, I, E, I, E, 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 I. I can write it in 3 ways. I can write it in 6 ways, but here E will be occurs twice times. So 3 factorial divide by 2 factorial. Ma, don't cancel it. It is wrong. Expand your value. 4 factorial value is 24 and 3 factorial value is 6. 2 factorial is 2. While cancelling it, 324 into 3 is 72. Option A is correct. Okay. In this video, we discussed the questions which is regarding vowels always come together, as well as if the vowels are having the repetition of letters and similarly consonants always having this repetition of letters means you want to divide that value. Thank you for watching.